There was a boy named Amir. Amir dreamed of becoming fluent in English. He tried many times, but every time he started, he stopped after a few days. He wanted fast results, and when he didn't see progress immediately, he gave up. One day, his grandfather noticed his frustration. He smiled and said, "Amir, a tree doesn't grow in one day, but if you water it every day, one day it becomes strong enough to give shade to the world." These words touched Amir's heart deeply. The next morning, Amir made a promise not to study for hours, but to study just 10 minutes every single day. No excuses, no losing motivation, just showing up every day. Days passed, then weeks, then months. At first, nothing seemed to change, but slowly, his words got clearer. His confidence grew. His English improved. People started saying, "Amir, your English has become amazing." And Amir smiled quietly. 1 year later, Amir stood on a stage, speaking confidently in front of a crowd. His voice was strong, his words smooth, his heart full of pride. And in the audience, his grandfather smiled with joy. After the speech, someone asked him, "How did you do it? What's your secret?" Amir replied, "I didn't study for hours. I just studied a little every day." Success doesn't come from doing a lot once. It comes from doing a little every day. Consistency is the key to success. A small step taken every day becomes a big victory in the future. So remember, don't stop, don't rush, just show up every day. Your future is built one small step at a time. Be consistent, and success will find you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.